completed. Look how delicious and wonderful it looks, really vibrant. And we have also made with that very soft butter naan. It also smells good. Me and my brother are gonna take a bite and tell you how it is. It's delicious. Wow, amazing. It's way better than any restaurant in the world. It's very delicious, and if you made this once and tasted it, you're gonna make it again and again and again. Kenneth, stop. How much are you gonna eat? Stop, Kenneth. How much are you gonna eat?
I can't do this. Leave.
Well, see, that's how delicious it is. Hope you will definitely like it. Not hope, you will definitely like it. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the video. And let's begin. For this amazing recipe, we are going to be using 1200 grams of chopped chicken. You can see it's chopped into small pieces. And now to marinate it, we're going to be using these. We have here 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chicken tikka powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, some garlic chives which we'll be using for garnish. Okay, ginger. Half teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of black pepper, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 tablespoons of curd. There is also 1 teaspoon of salt. Put all of it over the chicken. Yeah, it was supposed to be for garnish, but I forgot and I put the ginger in. Mix up all the spices with the chicken perfectly. The chicken is really cold. Mixing it is a little difficult. Now we are going to fry some onions, which I chopped with a lot of tears, tomatoes and chilies. By that time, this will marinate. I will be frying the onions using corn oil, and also the chicken will be fried in the corn oil as well. Fry the onions until they get a golden brown color. You can see it's brown now, and I'll be adding the chicken into it. Okay. And don't add water in it because we are basically frying it, so we should just cover it with a lid for 5 minutes so that it gets tender. Until then, we'll be making the dough for the butter naan. And to know how to make this delicious and soft butter naan, tell us in the comments below and we'll make another video on it. 5 minutes are over. Oh, very nice smell. It smells delicious. You can see it looks like fried chicken. You can even serve it like this, like fried chicken, but we are going to add in this tomatoes. I'm going to be adding the tomatoes. And chilies. Now mix it well. After mixing it well enough, cover it with the lid again for 5 minutes on medium heat. And I am rolling this. And what I've added in this, I'll be telling you in our next video of butter naan. Okay, and make sure that the naan is not too thin. You can see it's pretty thick here, and that's how thick it should be. Naan should not be too thin. Okay, it's done. You can see how delicious it looks. Give it a good mix, and once again I'm reminding you all that we have not even used 1% of water in this. And that's it, it's done. And after it's done, I'll be adding some lemon slices, chopped fresh chilies, and also some ginger chives for garnish. And it's done. Your delicious food is ready. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.